Good morning, everybody. Today we're out at Zion National Park, and I won't lie, this is the park I was looking forward to the most. The reason being because of these rocks right here behind me. So these rocks are the same thing that we've been seeing a lot through all of Utah in these parks, and it's sandstone, which doesn't seem very exciting. However, the sandstone here is really special. If you take a look back here behind me, you're going to see these lines, right, kind of sitting on a diagonal. These are called crossbeds. Now, crossbeds generally happen when we've got moving air or moving water. And as that water, say, envision the river you hear, right, on the other side of this camera, is slowly pushing sand grains downriver, and it's building up sediment and it's pushing it, right, creating these nice stacks of grains as it moves. Now, what makes this special, because that doesn't sound too special, what makes this really special is these are big dunes, right? These are big crossbeds. Now, in river systems, we see usually fairly small crossbeds. With dune environments, we actually see really big crossbeds. So obviously, water isn't the transportation medium with a dune. It's going to be the wind. Now, what makes this even more extraordinary than some of the other dunes that we've seen in the other Utah parks is the fact that these dunes, okay, are over 2,000 feet tall. Let me pan around here so you can kind of get a sense of the height of some of these. Right, if you take a look up there, these are humongous dunes. Now, dunes preserved this size tell us that this is actually one of the largest deserts that was ever on Earth. These rocks are made up of the Navajo sandstone, which is a Jurassic in age sand. And this was sitting right at the edge of the Epicontinental Seaway. And this desert was bigger than the Sahara, the Gobi, all of those big deserts that you might know of. So this is really quite an incredible thing to be standing in the world's largest preserved desert with these huge 2,000-foot dunes. So if you ever get a chance to come out here, definitely do, and just take a look at all these dunes. I'll post some pictures later and some videos where you can see some of the much larger dunes, so that way we can kind of talk about the size and how dunes move over time.